Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at the technical analysis on the cryptocurrency Doge. And first, we'll be talking about fundamentals before we move right down to technicals, which is purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. Now, we have seen that Dogecoin has been trading lower by some 1.5% to the 0.064 level going into the close of the US trading Wednesday. According to data from Bazinga Pro, several altcoins are lower as stocks across sectors rise following a lighter than expected June inflation report. Now, cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin, are often associated with being a hedge against inflation. When inflation is lighter than expected, we say it can undermine the perceived need for alternative stores of value, including cryptocurrencies, that can lead to reduced investors' demand and a negative impact on the price of Dogecoin. Now we are seeing that also when inflation is lighter than anticipated, traditional investment options such as stocks, bonds, and fiat currencies may become more attractive to investors. Now, our preference away from cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin can exert downward pressure on its price. And what has recently happened is that the US CPI inflation in June decelerated more than anticipated, reinforcing investor expectations of a single rate hike by the Federal Reserve, followed by a halt to its tightening cycle, of course. Now, Dogecoin is looking at inflation rate from 4% in May to 3% in June, slightly below the average economists, as we forecast about 3.1%. So thereabout. Now, what we expect, we are speculating if Dogecoin can reach $10. Here's what it would require for the good boy, of course, being priced at 0.065 at the time of writing, but the question is what happens when it reaches about $10? Now, if the meme crypto were to reach $10 from today's price of 0.065, it would signify a staggering gain of approximately 15% from that point. So if we were to make an entry on this point for the upside, we're looking at a breakthrough from this resistance technically, and a breakthrough from this resistance is 10 pips from that point, and looking to ascend to at 0.067 thereabout, which is about 32 pips from that entry point, and purposefully might have much more reaction, taking a swing to the upside. Possibly can end at 0.606957, which is about 56 pips from that entry point, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's cryptocurrency Doge. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now. Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we'll be having a look at Nintendo. And currently, we're seeing that Nintendo Switch 2 release date just tipped here, and this could be a reason why the fun Nintendo Switch 2 unofficial concept render imagine the console in a regular opportunity to skyrocket as soon as possible. Nintendo is a Japanese multinational video game company headquartered in Kyoto, known for developing, publishing, and releases both video games and video game consoles. Founded in 1889 as Nintendo Karuta by craftsman Jiro Yamauchi, and originally produced handmade Hanafuda playing cards. But that's, by the way, we have seen that currently it had released a Nintendo Switch 2 unofficial concept, and this has been causing a bit of excitement for the Nintendo commodity. Although we have seen currently it has been on a pullback, but we are expecting a push out to break out from this resistance zone at 11.43, which is 14 pips away from the this point currently where the market is. So if we're to make an entry for Nintendo, confirming the retracement, we are to set our take profit at 11.54 or 12 thereabout, which is about 26 to 30 pips from that entry point, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's commodity, Nintendo. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.